Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Grok not generating images. So if you have been using the Grok free account, you might have ran out of credits. In that case, you're going to have to simply log out of your current account and try it via new account or new email address. Now this might definitely fix a problem, but if it's still not working and if you are using a paid account and still facing this issue, here are some extra things that you could try. First is heading over to your Play Store and search for Grok AI Assistant. If you see update, tap on update. In my case, my application is being updated. If you see open, leave that as it is. That means your application is already updated. Now long tap onto your Grok, then tap on the I button. Let's go ahead, clear the cache as it might help at times. So tap on storage and then clear cache. If you remember your credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data. Now once done, restart your device, then launch your Grok, get logged into your account, try again, and it will definitely work. Thank you for watching.